When calculating the greatest common divisor, GCD, between two natural numbers, Excel performs the procedure correctly, identifying the greatest common divisor. However, it is observed that when inserting only one number, the function still returns a result, contradicting the fundamental property of the GCD, which requires at least two values. This behavior can lead to inconsistent interpretations, as the term common itself implies the existence of multiple numbers for comparison. The GCD requires at least two numbers to be calculated. Since only one number, 15, was provided, the GCD cannot be determined. Please provide at least one more number. In VBA, when calculating the greatest common divisor, GCD, with only one number, the function still returns a result, contradicting the fundamental property of the GCD, which requires at least two values to determine the common divisor. After extensive analysis, the professor developed an algorithm in VBA that enables Excel to calculate the greatest common divisor, GCD, from two integer numbers. This implementation enhances the efficiency and effectiveness of lessons, providing students with a practical tool to better understand fundamental mathematical concepts. Moreover, this code can make a significant contribution to global education, facilitating learning and promoting the use of technology as a support for teaching.